guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, so tomorrow is Thanksgiving. So of course we had to do a keto cocktail perfect for Thanksgiving. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, do that thing, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, that way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, so happy Thanksgiving to you all. And I have a perfect cocktail for you. So how many of you do fresh cranberries? I'm putting my hand up because there is not a Thanksgiving that I don't do fresh cranberries. The stuff out of the can, no thank you so much. I love fresh cranberry sauce. This cocktail is perfect because if you make fresh cranberry sauce, you're halfway there. So let's talk about the ingredients. Number one, you're going to need fresh cranberries, an orange. You're going to need monk fruit sugar, or a low carb sugar of your choice. I like the monk fruit sugar. And then you're gonna make a cranberry sauce. Okay guys, we're gonna make a cranberry simple syrup, or really cranberry sauce. I am going to make cranberry jelly anyways, or cranberry sauce. So I'm going to just add a little bit extra water. So it's usually 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water, cranberries. We're not doing it that way. We're doing it keto. So we're gonna add more water than we normally do. So this is 1.5 cups. And then we're going to add our bag of cranberries. And then this is monk fruit sugar, which is a 0 carb or low carb sugar. So we're going to use this. And I'm going to I've been making this long enough that I'm just going to put in about that much. And then we're going to take a little bit of orange, and I'm going to just add some orange zest in. Now, we're just going to let that cook and simmer until the berries pop. The other thing is Deep Eddy's cranberry vodka. Perfect. And then of course we need a Prosecco. I'm using a small bottle because I'm just making 1 cocktail. And then some fresh citrus. So we're going to use lemon. All right, let's get started with this beautiful cocktail. Cocktail shaker with ice. We're going to use Deep Eddy's cranberry vodka, and we're going to do 2 ounces. We're going to use 1.5 ounces of the cranberry simple syrup. Remember, this is keto. This is to your liking. I think this adds some freshness, so we're just going to use half a lemon. Give it some freshness. There we go. We're going to take some of those, we'll call them macerated cranberries, and we're going to stick them at the bottom of your champagne flute. All right, then we're going to pour Prosecco. Give it that beautiful effervescence. Then we are going to top with some gorgeous cranberries. All right, you guys, now the important part. Let's go ahead and give her a try. So delicious. Super refreshing, super in the holiday. This would also look beautiful in a coupe glass. You know, I'm a sucker for a coupe glass. Look how pretty this would look in a coupe glass. Gorgeous. You could just have the cranberries floating. Don't put them on a stick. Here we go. Delicious. Now, I like my cocktails a little more on the tart side. If you want it a little bit sweeter, add a little bit more of the monk fruit sugar, because monk fruit sugar is not as sweet as regular sugar, so you have to adjust accordingly to make the simple syrup. Usually it's equal parts, and that works well, but since you're talking about a tart fruit like a cranberry, you might want to up it slightly. I find it to be super refreshing, super beautiful, whether you put it in a champagne glass or in a coupe glass. I'm a sucker for a coupe glass. I love it. Delicious, very festive, and perfect for the holidays. All right, you guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thank you so very much. I hope you all have a blessed and wonderful Thanksgiving, and I will see you very soon. Bye, guys.